Imagine earning passive income daily by holding a token, no trading needed. Today, I'm going to show you how that's possible with BlockchainFX. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. I'm logged into BlockchainFX. See how nicely it's put together. You've got your portfolio, trading history, chat and support, market analysis, and video guides. This platform offers a lot. Clicking this, trade Forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, and ETFs. The charts are really nice. It's clean. You have your open positions, pending positions, buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, and PIP value. Everything you need is in one place. The BFX Pre-Sale has already raised over $8.6 million and shows strong confidence from early investors. Early buyers get to enjoy lower prices before the next stage starts. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Okay guys. So this is the website of BlockchainFX, and they're the first crypto trading super app where you can do crypto, stocks, Forex, bonds, all in one place, even ETFs. So if you're a trader, this is your one-stop shop. You can literally do everything here. It's super convenient. So I don't know why more traders aren't using BlockchainFX. Okay, so let me walk you through their website for a bit. Okay guys, so like I mentioned earlier in the video, the BFX pre-sale has already raised over $11 million and it looks really promising for early investors. The early buyers will get the lowest prices during this pre-sale, so this is your cue to jump in and take advantage of it. Okay guys, so like I said before, you can get daily staking rewards. So if you own BFX, you can get daily rewards in USDT just by holding BFX. And these rewards will come from trading fees. And if you have bigger holdings, you can earn up to $25,000 in payouts, which is really crazy just for owning BFX. With major CEX listings already confirmed, a growing user base, and millions in daily trading volume, BFX offers a lot of potential upside for early pre-sale participants. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity during the pre-sale period. Secure your BFX tokens now and use code YT30 to get 30 extra coins. This offer is only available during the pre-sale, so hurry up and get your tokens and coins now. That's a wrap for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Until next time, cheers.